Imagine being a sales and marketing director, trying to make sense of your product performance. What's selling? Who's buying? Why are sales fluctuating? But with insights spread across multiple systems, your CRM, ERP, and endless reports, getting clear answers is a real challenge. Now picture one unified report. Thanks to Microsoft Fabric and Azure OpenAI, all the data from your CRM, ERP, and more is gathered in one place. AI-generated insights reveal patterns, suggest actions, and offer clarity, all on one screen. Making data-driven decisions has never been easier. The output of this project is a Power BI report designed specifically for sales and marketing directors to support high-level board discussions. Users can simply select a product of interest and instantly see an AI-generated summary of sales data that compares performance across months and years, highlighting trends and anomalies, so there's no need for manual data review. AI-driven insights that dive into factors affecting sales, whether trends are linked to direct sales channels, specific product categories, or regional performance, and even analyze social media sentiment to see if public opinion has impacted sales. Actionable AI suggestions, pinpointing top priorities to improve sales, like focusing on direct sales or addressing product quality. Finally, a visual breakdown of the data, designed to clearly support the AI insights in an easy-to-digest format. And while this report centers on sales data, it can be scaled to include other data sets, such as manufacturing or marketing, allowing the model to uncover deeper insights into overall product and operational performance. Microsoft Fabric offers a comprehensive platform to seamlessly ingest and store data from multiple sources, transform it, and then deliver it to end users through dynamic reports and integrations. In this project, we have demonstrated 3 ways to ingest data into Microsoft Fabric using low-code tools. We selected HubSpot as our CRM to manage company and customer data, building an ETL pipeline to import this data via API and store it in one lake. This pipeline, created with Fabric's visual editor, operates by first deleting the current CSV files in one lake for both companies and customers. Then, using copy data activities, it pulls fresh data from HubSpot's API through a custom connection and specific API call, configured to handle paginated results. The data is then written back to the lake in CSV format, with mappings set up in the Mapping tab to ensure accuracy and consistency. We leveraged Microsoft Fabric's mirroring feature to import ERP data, including product and sales information, from Azure SQL database into Microsoft OneLake, bypassing complex ETL processes. We set up mirroring by connecting to the Azure SQL database through the mirroring option in Fabric Workspace, enabling near real-time data replication. Once mirroring is set up, Fabric creates a replica into OneLake with Parquet, SQL Analytics, and a default semantic model. Fabric's mirroring service is fully managed, so there's no need to handle hosting or replication. The mirrored tables are integrated into the Lakehouse schema using Fabric shortcuts. We store social media reviews from Twitter, generated by OpenAI, in Amazon S3. This setup mirrors a real-world scenario where reviews from multiple platforms are centralized in cloud storage, ready for processing and analysis. To streamline data transfer into Fabric Lakehouse, we avoid duplicating the raw data. Instead, we use Fabric's shortcut feature to directly link the S3 bucket to the Lakehouse, optimizing both storage and performance. We implemented medallion architecture, organizing data from raw to refined stages. We start with bronze for raw ingestion, move to silver for cleaned, structured data, and finish with gold for analytics-ready insights. This approach makes our data pipeline efficient, scalable, and optimized for quick decision-making. For the bronze pipeline, we used a PySpark notebook in MS Fabric to load the raw ingested data from our Lakehouse File Explorer and Delta Table shortcuts into Delta Lake tables, organized under a custom bronze schema for the raw data layer. For the silver layer, we used 2 PySpark notebooks in MS Fabric. The first notebook performs data cleaning and transformation on the raw bronze data to generate optimized Delta Lake tables containing ERP and CRM data, such as products, sales, and customers. The second notebook processes data from the social Twitter reviews table in bronze, leveraging Azure OpenAI to extract or estimate the item being reviewed from the review text. It then adds a product model column to link the review to the product table. For the gold layer, we use 3 PySpark notebooks in MS Fabric. The first one is DimFact without LLM. This notebook creates dimension and fact tables for products and sales data. The tables are loaded as Delta Lake tables under the gold schema in the Lakehouse. Dimension tables are created for products, customers, and companies, while the fact table is built for sales data, including details about sales, territorial information, and sales reasons. The second is Fact Social Review LLM. This notebook utilizes Azure OpenAI to evaluate social media reviews. The LLM is used to summarize the overall sentiment of customer reviews, positive, negative, or neutral. Extract key insights and themes from reviews to identify what matters most to customers. Pinpoint critical feedback that could drive product improvements or marketing strategies. The third is Fact Sales Analysis with LLM. This notebook leverages Azure OpenAI to summarize and analyze sales data in the gold layer. Multiple LLM calls are made to compare sales trends across months and years, identify anomalies, and store key comparisons in the Fact AI Sales Analysis table. The LLM also extracts insights on why sales performed the way they did by combining sales data with product categories, territories, customer types, and social review analysis. The final step uses the LLM to suggest actions based on these insights, which are stored in the Fact AI Sales Analysis table. This notebook automates the extraction and summarization of key insights and actions, which would otherwise take days to achieve manually. By storing the responses, users can easily validate the LLM's output. For the semantic model, we built a business layer with standardized metrics and relationships, establishing a single source of truth for reporting and querying. By leveraging direct query, our reports stay up to date in real time, always reflecting the latest changes. We imported only the necessary tables and, using Microsoft Fabric's visual editor, configured relationships and created custom measures to be used in the reports. We created a Power BI report to display the output of the LLM analysis and the underlying data, tailored for our target audience, board members. The report is directly linked to the semantic model and was designed using Microsoft Fabric's Power BI editor. The report uses HTML rendered text boxes to dynamically display the AI-generated output and various visuals to present the underlying sales data.